Hi dear viewers, here is unboxing video of an online order from Bakehouse, Karachi. Bakehouse is a trusted name for buying baking products. You can buy a wide variety of baking ingredients and tools in a very reasonable price. These are food colors. I bought green, lemon yellow, red and blue color. These colors can be used to decorate the cakes, pastries, cupcakes and muffins. These can be mixed with whipping cream or buttercream to give adorable color to frosting. This is a Mexican manual dough presser. Material is non-stick and it's very easy to use. Let's open our next product. This is a rectangle cooling rack. Material is non-stick and size is large. This rack is also very useful when you are going to bake. You can place cakes, cupcakes or any baking products for cooling purpose on this rack. This is a mini hand whisk. It is made up of stainless steel. Material of handle is plastic. Being mini in size, it is easy to use, clean and wash. This is best to use when you have to beat ingredients in small quantity like eggs or yogurt. Dear viewers, hopefully you liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon inshallah in some other video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.